Okay, I'm recording.
I feel so bad for
You both have red scarves. Who are you, Ivan?
9.
everything's so.
Alright.
The fact that the ball
Why did we start this again? Prussia eating cake.
Yeah.
Prussia's eating cake.
Jeremy,
Yeah,
you
did it
need
right.
to get that stick
Would you
out.
like Gilbert? Because your Gilderp is somewhere. And it's like missing. Where did Gilderp go? Gilderp disappeared.
Germany,
I
give
think
up.
I did.
So you're supposed to stay on the record. That's why
Sweden's changed.
Sweden is no more.
Sweden got attacked by England's wand.
Oh, wait, I was gonna make you act like other countries. That's what I was gonna do.
Some countries I don't know how to do, so.
Neither did that person, but we're gonna do that anyway. She didn't even know how to do Latvia. It's like, I'm Latvia.
And I have diarrhea in the mouth.
What?
He does. He has diarrhea in the mouth.
He does. Okay.
What's a diarrhea of the mouth?
Okay.
And it gets stretched to play with by Russia.
Okay. Do America.
I'm the hero!
Canada.
Okay, never mind.
You both are doing this so well.
Actually,
Wait, we need the bear. Where's the bear? Where's your bear?
Lane's Vegas in San Francisco.
You're gonna get. It looked like you were about to get crotch attacked by the chair.
Where's Kumakichi?
Are you gonna make fun of Canada?
Yep.
Kumakichi, you can't eat. Dude, you really are Canada. You can't remember his name.
Kumakichi.
Kumajiro, man.
Kuma who? Huh?
Who?
Who?
Okay, do Russia.
Bitta?
Do Russia.
Russia. Call. And we'll put you back in the basement. And use my pipe on you. I know.
Bad memories. Oh my God, there's a freaking Russia.
Go away.
Come, let me spar your brain.
Bet.
All right, do Denmark, the second coolest character in Italia.
Of course it's
Look closely at the face, I think that's why.
Come on, guys, let's all have a party.
So guy.
Yeah.
So guy.
You're like, ooh, and then you look really close and you're like, what?
10-minute challenge. Listening to Denmark say so gay.
Had might have actually been.
I'm gonna do that one.
Yeah.
Do China.
What are you doing eating that aru?
Aru.
Would you like to sample some of my tasty treats?
Ooh, do Austria.
I'm a priss that likes to sit there and play my piano. All I like to do is play the piano.
Actually, it was kind of a...
Oh, hey Austria.
Hey. It's kind of sexy.
Hello, little master.
And
I'm secretly a pansy.
Is this true, Austria?
Fool.
I will neither confirm nor deny that accusation.
Which means he is.
Which means he is. All right, considering he's the European slut.
Look, see, you're making me shed.
Okay, do Inuyasha.
What? What was it? Inuyasha?
Inuyasha, do Inuyasha. I know it's not a Hitalia character.
Come here, kiss it. Okay.
Sit, boy!
I'm gonna do a Kagome. Sit.
Do Naruto.
No. I haven't actually watched Naruto.
Oh, wait. Film me.
I've read
Wait,
it.
I'm gonna do Sasuke. Okay, I'm gonna do Sasuke. My brother killed my entire family. I'm gonna go emo now. With a knife. Killed her! Wait, okay, here's my knife. I'm gonna go emo now.
How did you know?
Oh wait, hey, I just killed my brother. Oh my God, he was a hero. I'm gonna go emo again. He goes emo like every 5 seconds, man.
So does Cloud.
My best friend just died in my place. You look like you're playing a
You know the sword's like this big. It's the size of a bus. So he's got to be out here like this.
Austrian ringtone.
Just a little bit.
What?
Oh god. Cloud. It's like cloud. It looks like you were playing the piano.
Wiped out either. No. There you go. Hang out.
Aww. Gildrip doesn't like you.
Doesn't.
All right. Let's go back to Natalia.
Alright, well, I'll be out in a second.
Aw, you leaving?
Alright, bye.
Aw. Group hug.
Vinny, are you leaving?
Yes.
I have work. I don't see you.
Prussia, give Austria a kiss. Give Austria a kiss. Aw.
I just got denied. You did.
No, you force Austria to give you a kiss, man.
I'm gonna do this.
Austria, come here. Austria.
Oi, roll.
Hey, we're having a twin time.
We'll have twin time for a few minutes.
Oh yeah.
I love how the scarf is covering your face.
Wait.
Aw, Gildrip falling off.
What are they doing?
Self-cessed.
Yep.
Oh my god, look at Kumajiro.
Kumajiro can give himself a yeah.
Wait, hey, Prussia,
Austria.
Yeah.
go get Austria.
And when I get my new America done, I can be Cowboy America.
Oh my god, Germany just died.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I know.
The biggest challenge is just those
He's
chaps.
just being over dramatic.
Alright, Austria, you gotta give Prussia a kiss.
Oh, is this turning into a sweet moment?
Give them the scarf. Aww.
Now you got
You
American
should give them the
germs.
scarf so they can kiss.
Hang on.
Here you
Look at
go.
the screen.
Oh, there we go. Oh, they kissed.
And I was the one bending backwards.
Well, my knee was in your knee.
Alright, okay, let's...
Yes.
Ah.
We can do the vlog over there, right? We can do